how to create and save a playlist in VLC Media Player. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create and save a playlist in VLC Media Player. So let's get started. First of all, open VLC Media Player, and then what you got to do is simply click on View here at the top, and then you'll be able to see an option that says Playlist. So simply click on Playlist. Once you do so, over here at the left side, you're going to click on Playlist, and then you'll be able to see a window like this. So what you're going to do is right click, and then you're going to click on Add File and simply select the files from the computer that you wish to add to this playlist. So I'm going to select this, and I'm going to select this over here, and let me just select a few more. So I'll just go with this one and this one. And then I'm going to click on Open. And now you can see that all of those files have been added over here. So the playlist has been created. Now, in order to save it, what you're going to do is select all of these, right click on it, and then you'll be able to see option that says Save Playlist to File. Simply click on it, and then you're going to give a name to your playlist. For example, I'm going to say something like Office Videos, and then I'm going to click on Save. And now that playlist has been created and saved successfully. So that is basically how you can create and save a playlist in VLC Media Player. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.